So today guys, I am going to show you how you tie your belt in Jiu Jitsu, and this is called a Superlock. And I like the Superlock because when you're rolling in Jiu Jitsu, it doesn't go undone. So let's get started. The first step of tying your belt is putting the right side of your gi on like this, and then the left side of your gi over it. Then you grab your belt, then put it like this, like in the middle, and then tie this around twice. And so you have a tail. And so then with your tail, you go under and pull it out. And then you grab the under all of the others, under these two, grab the one that's touching your waist and then pull it out so you have two equal tails. And then put the left tail and through these two ones, and then so it's like that, but don't pull it yet because you have to put this through this hole and then through like that, and then you have it like this, then just tighten it and boom. So I'll see you in another video.